Tokyo, Japan, the beating heart of the modern world. But this metropolis is facing a critical breaking point. With millions of residents crammed into a limited space, the city is running out of land. We need a radical solution. We cannot build out, so we must build up and over the water. The solution lies here, in Tokyo Bay. Enter the Shimizu megacity pyramid, a structure so massive it will redefine human engineering. Rising 2,004 meters high, it is 14 times larger than the Great Pyramid of Giza, a true archaeology. This isn't just a building, it is a self-sustaining city, powered by sun, wind, and algae, leaving zero carbon footprint. Japan sits on the Ring of Fire. This open truss design allows tsunamis and high winds to pass through unharmed. It is a sanctuary for 1 million people, protecting them from the natural disasters that threaten conventional cities. To build it, we must wait for the future. We need materials that don't yet exist in mass production, until now. This is the story of how we turn science fiction into reality. Let the construction begin. The process begins in the deep waters of Tokyo Bay. The seabed must be prepared. Autonomous submersibles clear the silt to reach the bedrock. Stability is everything. Massive caissons are lowered. These will form the molds for the mega foundation. Engineers monitor the alignment. Precision is measured in millimeters, even at this scale. A special superconcrete, resistant to saltwater corrosion, is poured into the depths. 36 independent piers rise from the sea. These are the legs of the giant. Each pier is designed to support more weight than any skyscraper foundation in history. We install massive seismic isolation layers. The pyramid must float above the earth shaking. Even during a magnitude 9 earthquake, these dampers keep the structure above steady. The logistics network is established. The bay becomes a floating factory. Underwater power and data cables are laid, connecting the foundation grid. Quality control is rigorous. Every inch is scanned for microscopic imperfections. The scale is immense. The distance between piers is large enough for oil tankers to pass through. The base will also serve as a marine transport hub for the city's supplies. As night falls, the foundation is ready. But the real challenge is the skeleton. We leave the bay and move to the onshore manufacturing plants. Steel is too heavy. We must manufacture the strongest material known to man. Carbon nanotubes. Cylinders of carbon atoms with extraordinary strength. Inside these reactors, we grow the nanotubes that will hold the sky. The material is ready. It's time to build the megatruss. Robots weave the microscopic tubes into massive structural cables. These lightweight tubes are 100 times stronger than steel, but weigh a fraction of it. Lasers cut the composite beams to exact lengths for the truss assembly. The joint connectors are the most complex part, designed to flex without breaking. The parts are baked in giant autoclaves to harden the resin and lock the nanotubes in place. A protective coating is applied to shield the material from UV rays and salt air. Every inch of the truss is covered in photovoltaic film. The structure itself is a power plant. Stress tests confirm the load-bearing capacity. It is virtually indestructible. The finished beams are loaded. They are light enough to be moved easily, yet strong enough to hold a city. Hover barges transport the components to the construction site in the bay. The Shimizu Corporation leads the assembly, coordinating thousands of components. The first segment of the megatruss is lifted into the air. It locks into the foundation. The connection is sealed. Human workers are too slow for this height. Spider bots are deployed for assembly. These autonomous machines work 24/7, welding and bolting the frame. Engineers supervise the swarm, correcting any errors in real time. The base layer connects all 36 piers into a unified grid. The footprint is established. Now, we begin the ascent. The diagonal struts are placed, defining the iconic pyramid slope. The open design is tested against wind simulations constantly. The megacity is not one solid block. It is 5 massive pyramids stacked vertically. Level 1 is complete. This section alone is the size of a conventional city district. Massive spherical nodes connect the layers, distributing the weight downward. Logistics elevators are extended as the building grows higher. We begin level 2. The air gets thinner, the winds get stronger. Safety is paramount. Workers are tethered at all times. The robotic assembly line moves vertically, passing beams with perfect synchronization. From the ground, it looks like a giant web against the sky. Wind turbines are installed within the frame to capture the bay's strong gusts. Level 3 is finished. We are now piercing the cloud layer. A typhoon approaches, but the wind passes harmlessly through the open lattice. Structural integrity sensors remain green. The design works. Level 4. We are higher than any building ever constructed by man. Workers at this altitude require supplemental oxygen systems. The final section is too high for cranes. Heavy lift airships bring in the apex. Precision maneuvering lowers the capstone of the frame. The skeleton is complete, a 2,004-meter marvel standing over Tokyo Bay. But a skeleton is not a city. It needs a nervous system. Inside the hollow truss tubes, we install the lifeblood of the city. Plumbing, electrical, and data lines are threaded through the structure's veins. Massive server cores are installed in the nodes to run the city's AI. Bioreactors containing algae are mounted to produce hydrogen fuel. These biological systems will recycle waste and provide clean energy. The power grid comes online. The pyramid begins to breathe. The view from the top is unparalleled. Now, we must build the homes. This city doesn't have floors. It has suspended skyscrapers. Residential modules are prefabricated on land to ensure perfection. Entire 30-story towers are assembled before they even touch the pyramid. Massive cables are lowered from the pyramid's nodes. The skyscrapers are hoisted up, hanging like ornaments on a tree. They lock into place, suspended in the air. One by one, the void is filled with offices, homes, and parks. Workers connect the floating towers to the main transit grid. Inside, the apartments are modern, spacious, and filled with natural light. Residents will live with the sky above and the ocean below. We hoist up soil and trees. Hanging gardens are created in the sky. Automated drones maintain the greenery, ensuring a lush environment. Transportation is key. Inclined elevators travel diagonally through the shafts. Personal rapid transit pods whisk people across the city in minutes. The transit system is frictionless and silent. Acoustic dampening ensures total silence for the residents. The lower levels house the business districts and commercial hubs. Entertainment zones are installed, floating hundreds of meters in the air. Glass walkways connect the towers, creating a walkable city in the sky. Air quality is constantly monitored and purified by the algae systems. Maintenance is fully automated. The city cleans itself. Safety systems are triple-checked. Evacuation pods are ready if needed. The habitation zones are ready for final inspection. The residential grid is illuminated. It looks like a constellation. The structure is now a functional habitat. We are near completion. Bridges connect the pyramid to Old Tokyo. The old meets the new. The supply chains are activated. The city begins to stock up. Energy levels are optimal. The solar skin is generating 100% of required power. The wind from the bay powers the night operations. The biofuel systems provide a steady, green glow. Every drop of water is recycled. Nothing is wasted here. The heavy construction is officially declared complete. The construction equipment is removed. The form is pure. A final polish. The carbon nanotubes shine under the sun. A masterpiece of engineering, standing watch over the bay. At night, it transforms into a beacon of light and hope. The first residents arrive to claim their home in the future. A life free from congestion, pollution, and commuting stress. a hub for business, innovation, and progress. The Shimizu megacity pyramid is no longer a dream. It stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we build together. A vision by Shimizu Corporation realized for the next generation. This is the dawn of a new era in civilization.